Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to calculate the sales commission by using Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's go to the screen. I will show you how to do it. If we would like to calculate the sales commission in Microsoft Excel, here is some condition. Here you can see the sales. If the sales is 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh, then the commission will be 3%. And if the sales is 2 lakh or less than 2 lakh, then the commission will be 6%. And if both condition fails, if the sales is greater than 2 lakh, then the commission will be 9%. Okay, here you can see some salesmen here, A B C D E F G H. Those all are salesmen, and those are their sales amount. Now we have to calculate the commission. So to calculate the commission, we know a formula. The formula is equal sign, then if, then first bracket. Now we need the logical test. The logical test will be if the sales, select this cell. If the sales is less than or equal 1 lakh, then comma, then the result will be sales into 3%. Focus here. If the sales is less than or equal, F4 means 1 lakh. If the sales is less than or equal 1 lakh, then the result will be sales into 3%. Now comma, then again we need to apply here the logical test tool. The logical test is same, if, then bracket. Now we need and, because we will apply two logic here. The first logic is if the sales is greater than 1 lakh, and the second logic is if the sales is under 2 lakh or equal to lakh, then the commission will be 6%. Now here first logic is bracket. Now logic 1 is if the sales is, this one is greater than 1 lakh, comma, and if the sales is, again select this, and less than or equal 2 lakh. Now close the bracket, comma, the result. Now the result will be this cell into 6%. Now comma. Now we will apply last condition. The last condition is value if false. We apply these two condition. If those two are fails, then the third condition will be applied. Now the last condition is this cell into 9%. Close the bracket until it's become black. Now hit enter. Here is the commission. Now we have to freeze some cells here. Come here. Those are cells, and all the commission will be different for different cells. So except this column, we will freeze all those cells. How to do it? Come here, at focus here. C11 will be avoid, F4 will be freeze, and C11 will be, we have to do nothing in C11. Go to V4, freeze it. C11 except C11, F4 will be freezed. Again F5 will be fixed, B5 will be fixed, B6 will be fixed. Okay, now hit enter. Now we can calculate all the commissions here. Pull down the cursor here all the commissions. This is how to calculate the commissions in Microsoft Excel. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.